Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade probiotics. This easy method helps you create beneficial fermented foods right in your kitchen. Probiotics are fantastic for supporting your gut health and overall well-being. You'll discover how simple it is to transform everyday ingredients into a powerful source of these helpful microorganisms, saving money and enjoying fresh, vibrant flavors. To begin your probiotic journey, gather a few key items. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh vegetables, like cabbage or carrots, and 4 cups of non-chlorinated water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good quality sea salt. A clean, 1-quart glass jar is perfect, along with a fermentation weight or a smaller jar to keep your vegetables fully submerged during the process. Now, let's get to the simple steps. First, wash and finely chop your chosen vegetables. Next, prepare your brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of sea salt into 4 cups of non-chlorinated water. Tightly pack the chopped vegetables into your clean 1-quart jar, leaving about 1 inch of space from the top. Finally, pour the brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely covered. With your jar prepared, place it at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Allow it to ferment for 3 to 7 days, tasting periodically until it reaches your preferred tanginess. You'll notice small bubbles, a wonderful sign of active fermentation. Once ready, transfer your delicious homemade probiotics to the refrigerator, where they will keep fresh for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.